This is a guidance for how to use the code of generating an adjustable Gaussian spectrum. There are 5 parameters we could set for the spectrum: the wavelength start and wavelength stop determine the scope of the generated spectrum, and the highest weight wavelength of the spectrum is determined by the central wavelength parameter, and the GaussianFWHM parameter determines the full width at half maximum parameter of the Gaussian spectrum. And you could set the plot graph parameter to be 0 or 1 to determine whether you need the program to show you the generated spectrum. So as you can see here, the program shows you a Gaussian spectrum with start value 0 and stop value 800, which is the same as you set here, and a corresponding data file of the generated Gaussian spectrum is also generated in here. So if we open it, you could see the left hand side is the wavelength and the right hand side is the corresponding weight of each wavelength component. As you can see here, the start value is 0 and the stop value is 800, which is the same as we set. And you could also find the highest weight wavelength value components. Which is showing here is 406.7, which is exactly the same as we set here. So that's all. Thank you for your listening.